In a stunning escalation of the naval conflict, Ukraine has just executed a precise and devastating drone strike on a Russian Buyan-M class warship in the Azov Sea. This vessel, armed with Kalibr cruise missiles capable of hitting targets hundreds of miles away, was considered one of Russia's key assets in its naval arsenal. But Ukraine's bold two-stage assault left the warship crippled, its crew abandoning ship in disgrace. This operation, reportedly carried out by Ukraine's elite Ghost unit in coordination with the Defense Intelligence Service, could reshape the balance of power at sea. The target, Buyan-M warship. The Buyan-M class corvettes are heavily armed warships designed for coastal operations but capable of delivering long-range missile strikes. Their Kalibr cruise missiles have been used extensively by Russia to target Ukrainian cities and infrastructure. By striking such a vessel, Ukraine not only inflicted material damage but also sent a powerful message. No Russian ship is safe in the contested waters of the Azov and Black Seas. The strike unfolds. According to sources, the operation began with a first-stage swarm attack using long-range naval drones. These unmanned vessels were packed with explosives and guided toward the Buyan-M as it patrolled the Azov Sea. The first wave targeted the ship's defenses, overwhelming radar and electronic countermeasures. Then came the second stage, a precision strike coordinated by aerial drones. Operating at night and evading detection, they delivered direct hits to the warship's hull and superstructure. Explosions rocked the vessel, igniting fires and disabling its propulsion systems. Within minutes, the ship was rendered immobile, listing heavily as smoke poured into the night sky. The crew flees. Perhaps most striking was the reaction of the Russian crew. Instead of mounting a defense or attempting damage control, they abandoned ship. Witnesses and intercepted communications confirmed that sailors fled in panic, boarding lifeboats and nearby support vessels. For a force that projects itself as dominant in the region, the image of a modern warship's crew fleeing under drone fire is nothing short of humiliating. The Ghost unit and Defense Intelligence. This operation highlights the growing role of Ukraine's Ghost unit, an elite formation specializing in clandestine strikes using advanced drones and sabotage tactics. Working alongside Ukraine's defense intelligence, the Ghosts have carried out some of the most daring attacks of the war, including raids on Russian bases and critical infrastructure. Their latest success proves not only their capabilities but also Ukraine's growing dominance in drone warfare. Why this matters? The strike has several major implications. 1. Strategic loss for Russia. The Buyan-M was a valuable missile platform. Its destruction removes a key tool Russia has used to intimidate Ukraine's coastal defenses. 2. Psychological impact. The crew's flight underscores T.